Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and share photos with your family on an iPhone? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's get straight into the video. The best method you can do in order to go ahead and do so is going to be by sharing a iCloud shared photo library. And in order to go ahead and do that, all you need to do is head into your settings and then simply go ahead and head into your photos. So, simply go ahead into apps and then go to photos. As you can see, the photos is right here. Tap on that. And now what you want to do is click on shared library and set it up. Simply go ahead and click on get started. And then you can add participant right over here and simply go ahead and add them through your contact if you can. And then once you've done that, simply go ahead and tick mark it. And then it's going to ask you to name the shared library. And you can also invite up to 5 people, and other people also can simply add, edit, or delete the content in that library. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on